Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Binance wallet address. First, log into your Binance account using the official website or mobile application. Once logged in, locate and click on the Wallet section, usually found in the main navigation. From there, choose Fiat and Spot or Spot Wallet to see your various cryptocurrency holdings. Then, select the specific cryptocurrency for which you need the deposit address. After selecting your desired cryptocurrency, you'll see an option to deposit. Click this button to proceed. Binance will then generate and display your unique deposit address for that particular coin. It's crucial to ensure you've selected the correct network if multiple options are presented, as sending funds to the wrong network can result in permanent loss. Always double-check the network. When viewing your deposit address, you might notice options for different networks, such as ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20. It's absolutely vital to choose the network that corresponds with the platform or wallet from which you are sending funds. For example, if you're sending Ethereum on the ERC20 network, select ERC20 on Binance. Mismatched networks will cause your funds to be irretrievably lost. Once your deposit address and network are confirmed, use the provided copy button to accurately copy the full address. Before sharing or using it, always perform a quick verification by checking the first few and last few characters of the copied address against what's displayed. This simple step helps prevent common errors or clipboard hijacking. Share this verified address with confidence for your transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.